Welcome you all once again in another video. Hope you all doing good. Look at my bullet. I feel it is not much glossy because I have not done wax polish since 3 months. I bought new instant polish. Let's try that today. Vista Car Care Instant Shine. We can use this spray for two-wheeler also. It is 100 ml bottle and costed around 100 rupees. Let's unwrap this product. I bought this spray nearby bullet accessory shop. If you buy the same product in Amazon, it is costed around 165 rupees and delivery charges applicable. Before applying this spray, wipe it with clean and soft cloth. And then spray the shampoo water or normal water to clean the painted surface. And wipe the water thoroughly with dry microfiber cloth. And now spray the polish over the painted surface. Spray as close to the surface so it is not wasted. Once sprayed all the places, wipe with cotton cloth gently. And later buff it lightly. Don't give much force on it. Now everything is done. I feel the bike looks glossy now. If you are very much care about your bike, and definitely you can try this. It is worth for the money. I see the real shining in the sunlight. Please try the same and share your comments. I hope you like this video. Please share to your friends and do subscribe to our channel. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.